Another quick video from Fast Tech. In this one, I'm going to be showing you guys how to check the model number, the serial number, and the manufacturing date on your Xbox Series X. So to check it, you're gonna flip the console. You're gonna look at the back, and where it says Microsoft Xbox Series X, right here on the right side, it says MFR date. And this one was produced on the 13th of October, 2020. The serial number is right below it. It says SN. That's the serial number. This is the serial number of this console. And the model number is right here where it says HDMI on the right side of Xbox Series X. Right under HDMI, it says model 1882. That's the model number, and that's how you check. If this content helped you out, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell notification if you want to get notifications from us, and I'll catch you in the next one.